She was a young American. Learn about the American. When I was in school, we used to sing something like this.
This land is your land, this land is my land. From California to the New York Island, from the Redwood Forest to the Gulf Stream waters. This land was made for you and me.
America, America,
USA, New York to LA. USA, live that land. USA, live it wide. Baby, come give me a kiss. Rolling up in a redneck agenda. Down on American kids.
Of my Uncle Sam, I was born on the 4th of July. I have got a Yankee Doodle.
In order to form a more perfect union, establish justice, ensure domestic tranquility, provide for the common defense, promote the general welfare and secure the blessings of liberty to ourselves and our posterity.